Hi friends, my name is Danita, and today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little ornaments for your tree. All of the items were bought from the Dollar Tree, but I know you can get all of these items at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, really from any craft store. So get up and gather the supplies that I've listed in the description below and meet me in the craft room. I'll see you there. Okay, here we're going to take a cone, a styrofoam cone from the Dollar Tree, and we're taking just a plain ornament, clear ornament from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to carve out a little hole here out of the styrofoam so that the clear ornament will fit down in there. So it will fit in there so it doesn't look like it's just sitting on top. Now I'm going to make a pretty color that I think will look good as a cone of the ice cream. I mixed together this light colored brown and a yellow. But you can mix any colors you want. I put a skewer in the middle of it to hold it so I don't run into the problem having to hold it with my fingers. Now I'm going to mix some colors here so I can paint my ornament here. But then I'm going to show you the right way to do it. First, I start painting the outside of the ornament, which I think most of us would. And then I realize that's the wrong way to do it. I will then wipe the ornament clean in the sink, and then I will put it inside of the ornament and mix the colors together so it really looks like an ice cream. That's the right way to do it, because then it doesn't get on you. It doesn't look matte colored. It's just prettier that way. Now I'm done with those two pieces. Now let's start with this little piece here. We're going to use another ornament from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use this little clear cup. You can also get at the Dollar Tree. You can get these pieces anywhere, really. Now I'm going to paint the inside of this little cup pink. For the bottom of this, putting a little white so it's a little lighter pink. And then I'm going to put some of these little foam beads on the inside of this. And then I'm going to put some of these little bit bigger balls of foam, of styrofoam. Let me see. Yeah, that's what they are. They're styrofoam balls. Any color you want. Now, these can be any color you want, of course. These is the colors that I want because I like Candyland themed colors. So I'm going to use these colors for my little ornaments. Can you guess what they are? You probably can, I'm sure. But I'm going to make two of these balls, and then I'm going to make two bottoms. One is pink, and then one is this Key West color mixed with white. So I'm going to turn them upside down on this paper and let them dry. I'm putting the extra back in there because it was way too much. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to put some of these little styrofoam balls in here, but like I said, you can use any colors that you want. You can use the red and gold. If you're during Christmas season, you can use red and green. You can use any color you want, like all throughout the year. People put up trees, little bitty trees like from the Dollar Tree. You can use any colors you want, whatever color you have of tree, or whatever color you have that you want to put up ornaments on your tree of. If it's Valentine's Day, put red and pink. If it's Christmas, red and green. If it's Halloween, put black and orange. Whatever you want to do, really. Now, I forgot to take a picture of this one here, but I will go back and add a picture of this one. This can be a lollipop. I'm going to divide it out into 6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I have to have 7 lines though, if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, maybe it's right. Maybe it is only 6 lines. And then you do every other one the color that you want to be the base color, and then you can leave every other one either white or the secondary color that you want. And I'm not going to have the back side showing, but I just wanted to have a color on it just because. These are real simple. You can make a whole bunch of these. That would make a really big, pretty impact on your tree, and they'd just be adorable. You'll see when I get finished with it how it looks. I did add ribbon on each one of those darker lines there, just so it'd be pretty. After it dries, of course. Now here I'm going to attempt to make like a donut, and I was trying to figure out what size did I want the hole in the middle. So I'm just doing a little outline of a hole, and then I'm going to pop it out, do a little outline and then pop it out, and then I'm going to go around the edges with my finger and push it down so it looks rounded and not square on the sides, because we know a donut doesn't have pointy sides. They're rounded on the edges, so that's why I did that, and it looks a lot better. So this can be the bottom color of the donut. You can paint yours any color you want to, of course. That's the bottom, and then I'm going to do the top pink, because I want all of my pieces to match, of course. To paint styrofoam, you always want plenty of water on your brush, because it helps the paint go around easier on the styrofoam. Some people just keep adding paint to make it go farther, but you really don't need more paint. You need to add more water, and it goes a lot farther and a lot smoother that way. Okay, now I'm going to make some cake pops here. So I'm going to make 3 different cake pops, 3 different colors. Now I'm using the Key West color. I'm going to paint that 2 or 3 or 4 times. Get a good base color. I'm also going to go back like after 2 or 3 colors and put Mod Podge on it so it will be sealed in there. Now I'm going to do the yellow. And yeah, it keeps falling off, I think. I just keep doing it a couple times, and yeah, just keep doing it until it's coated over really good. Then I stick them up in that styrofoam and let them dry. I'm going to do this pretty parfait pink. Now I got the little straws for this cake pops and for the different things from the Dollar Tree as well. Now what I'm going to finish here is these little gumball machines. You see, I put a pink and the blue on the bottom of the ornaments filled with the gumballs, so-called gumballs. And then I used like a little Coke pop top thing there, and now it looks like a gumball machine, but right in the center of the gumball machine there, where you're supposed to have the knob there, I put a little white snowflake ornament little thingy there. It's like a sticker. You can put anything there or nothing. It doesn't matter. Now, it looks there where right now what I just did, I had to take out some more of that center to get the ornament to place down in the cone better. So that's what I was doing there. Now here, I was trying to get the, what is that called? The top of the ornament? I don't know what that's called. The top of the ornament, the little thing where you hang the ornament. It didn't want to stick down in there very well, so I kept having to mess with it, and I have to do that on a couple of things. It takes me a while. Maybe I edited most of that out, but yeah, that does aggravate. So you will have to hot glue those in, hot glue around the edges of the top, so those will stay in now. So don't forget to do that, because they may fall off they may pull out of your ornament if you don't hot glue those in. Now I'm using dimensional paint here. You can get it at Hobby Lobby, you can get it at Dollar Tree, you can get it anywhere. And it's like puffy paint, except it's thicker and it doesn't just run down through there all over the place out of control. It's thicker and it holds on to your ornament or whatever you're painting on. And then I put in these fake sprinkles. And I put it on top of the ornament, and then I put it there in between where the cone meets the ornament. Now I'm going back and doing my cake pops, and I'm adding the little straws to the cake pops on the outside of the skewers. That would be more substantial, and you can hold on to it better. I've already put all of the little styrofoam screw eye hooks on the top of each little ornament here, so it's easier to hang in the tree. Cutting off all the extra there. Okay, now here's where I go back and put the Mod Podge or the sticky. Okay, actually this is tacky glue. It works just as good, if not better, as Mod Podge, except it's not as runny, and it does work better whenever you put on glue or whenever you put on glitter or sprinkles, because it holds better. It's thicker, I think. And everything, I went back and added glitter to it just because it was so pretty and glitterful and pretty. Doesn't glitter make everything better? Especially for the holidays. Now I'm just doing the Mod Podge. I'm adding Mod Podge to the pink and the blue, and now I'm adding glitter to those. That right there, that big thing of glitter, doesn't have a little opening with the sprinkles in it, so I'm having to sprinkle it very carefully so a big, huge amount doesn't come off out of there at once. So I'm trying to be very careful, but also get, the correct amount at the same time. Now that right there, I want you to see how sparkly it was, and I had to slow that little part down right there so you could see. I will show each of them to you with ribbon on the tree. Okay, now this right here, somehow it didn't record, but I have just finished putting Mod Podge on the bottom of this cone, and I have just finished putting sprinkles on it, putting glitter on it. But I wanted you to see how I did it, so I just showed you there. I just put the Mod Podge on, and then I sprinkled on the glitter. Now here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put on not the Mod Podge. I didn't put on Mod Podge, I'm sorry. I put on the tacky glue. I used my paintbrush, and I spread it around real good. And then I put on the sprinkles. Not sprinkles, I put on the glitter, but you can put on sprinkles if you want. Like I've already added the sprinkles around the edges. And then I put on the glitter. You can put it all over it. You can put it all on the front and the back. You can put it just where you don't have the sprinkles, which is what I'm doing. Or you can put it anywhere you want. You just make up your own mind how you want to do it, how you think it's going to look pretty. But this is my donut, and I'm going to put glitter. I'm going to put glitter there in the middle. Really, I'm putting it all over the top, I guess. You see that little eye hook there? That's for styrofoam. All of these things are styrofoam, so I put those on there so it would stay on well. Because then the little metal eye screws or screw eye hooks, yeah, they work, but somehow the styrofoam eye hooks, they work better. Now I just want to finish making sure I have plenty of tacky glue on here so all of the glitter will adhere and hold on really good and not be all over the place. Then after that, I will add some ribbon or some floral wire to the top in those little screws so you will have something to attach to your tree so the ornaments will not fall off, and then we'll be done. I hope that you will all subscribe to my channel and come back and visit me again. I will have another tutorial out later next week, and I hope you all love the ornaments. I will see you soon. Like and subscribe and share my channel, please. I love you all. Bye-bye. Happy New Year.